Julian, I told you.
Eleanor, I have to ask you a question.
Wait, since when is Julian chasing her?
Well, two broke kids. Guess they do make a good match.
I got these specifically for you. So, what do you say? Want to be my girlfriend?
Make it official! Yeah, no one can ever resist Julian!
How dare you? You disgrace!
You see that? That's fun. Shut up, everybody! Shut the hell up!
Oh my god, this is a limited edition. Worth millions.
No way. Julian could never afford this. It's gotta be fake.
Do you like your clips? Yeah? Did you say thank you?
Thank you.
Of course, they're beautiful.
Daddy, who's that lady? Daddy, who's that lady?
Sweetheart, don't call Sebastian daddy like that.
It's fine. She likes it, let her.
Hi, I'm Claudia, Sebastian's secretary. I was bringing my daughter Daisy here to visit Mr. Alexander.
Thomas, have dinner prepared for me.
Certainly, miss.
Thank you.
Where did this girl come from? Acting like she owns the place? Seb, who exactly is she?
That's Eleanor Hawthorne. She's just a guest visiting my grandfather.
Oh. Daisy, why don't you go get Miss Hawthorne a glass of water?
Thank you, sweetie.
She's so sweet.
Miss Hawthorne? Here.
Thank you.
Oops, sorry. I'll forgive you this once. But next time, the water will hit your mother's face.
Daisy! Daisy, what happened?
Mom, she yelled at me. She's so mean.
It's okay. Daddy's here.
Hetty, I'm scared.
Miss Hawthorne? Why did you do that?
I thought you had brains, Sebby. Turns out your judgment is worse than I imagined.
What?
If this is how you measure character, how can you manage a company or anything else? Get out. All of you. The patient needs his rest.
You don't get to decide who stays here. Sebastian, you're just gonna let that go? Leaving her alone in Mr. Whitmore's room is absolutely inappropriate.
She's not gonna cause any trouble. Well, it's hard to explain.
Hard to explain? Don't tell me she's after Sebastian. Sebastian.
It's just us again, darling. You've been waiting to hear Mommy sing. I'm entering Super Idol. I want to record the song I always sang to you. Orally, orally, made with golden hair, Sunshine came along with thee and swallows in the air. Take my heart and take my ring, I give my all to thee. Take me for eternity, dearest Dorothy.
Oh my God. Lexi, can you hear me? Doctor, someone get the doctor, he's moving!
Mr. Whitmore could wake up any moment. Maybe tomorrow, maybe a month from now. We just don't know.
Miss Hawthorne. Seb's busy. I can see you out.
You think you can bully me? Let's see about that.
I can manage. Thank you.
Help! He can't sleep in Mom!
Daisy, somebody help!
Somebody help! Daisy! Help! Help! Daisy!
I got you. Daisy, you alright?
I might die. Never see Mom and Dad again.
What's going on?
She pushed me. She tried to drown me. She pushed me. She tried to drown me.
I didn't push her.
Miss Hawthorne, if Daisy's wrong, I'll apologize for her. But that little spill with the water, that was an accident. I didn't realize you could be this cruel. Or that you could be this sensitive.
I did no such thing. Sebi?
Sebi? How dare she call him that?
Miss Hawthorne. There's no excuse for endangering a child. From now on, stay away from the house.
Your mind is much too narrow. If you can't even handle a situation like this, maybe the Whitmore Group CEO should be someone else.
Unbelievable. Since when did a teenage girl start running the Whitmore family business?
Sir, it's your grandfather. He's awake.
Grandpa, you're awake. Here, have a sip of water.
I remember someone saying orally to me while I was out. Is that true?
That was Miss Eleanor Hawthorne, sir. She's been visiting lately.
Hawthorne?
Yes.
Eleanor Hawthorne? That name? What? Where is she? Bring her here.
She had to go, Grandpa. She's just a rude little girl.
Nonsense! Find her! No!
Miss Hawthorne. Wait, Miss Hawthorne. Master Alexander's awake. He wants to see you. Master Alexander, Miss Hawthorne's here.
Click the link below to watch the full video.